Hi, my name is Jonathan Arnold A. De La Torre, and I'm here to present my science experiment. Before starting my experiment, I prepared the materials that I needed with the help of my mom. Such like 4 small cups, potting soil, sand, water, and mungo seeds. For cup 1, I label it sunlight, water, soil. I planted a mungo seed and watered it daily and placed it in the sunny area. In cup 2, I label it no sunlight. I planted mungo seeds and watered it. After that, I place it in a dark box. In cup 4, on cup 3, on cup 3, in cup 3, I label it no water. I pretty much did the same. I planted a mungo seed and did not water it and put it in a sunny area. Cup 4. This is different from all. For cup 4, I label it sand instead of soil. I put sand instead of soil and planted the mungo seeds in the sand and watered it daily and placed it in the sunny area. My plant growth daily observation. On day 1, I watered cup 1, cup 2, and cup 4. But they didn't change yet. In day 2, I watered cup 1, cup 2, and cup 4, but still no changes. In day 3, I watered sunlight. I watered cup 1 and noticed a sprout.
lalagay ng distance yan?
In cup 2,
Dalawa na?
still no changes yet. Cup 3, still no changes yet. Cup 4, still no changes yet. On day 4, I watered cup 1, cup 2, cup 4, and cup 4. I measured cup 1 and the plant grew up to 0.5 centimeter. For cup 2, still no changes yet. Cup 3, still no changes. Cup 4, same as 3 and 2. In day 5, I watered cup 1, 2, and 4 and measured cup 1 and I the plant I measured cup 1. I measured the plant in cup 1. After that, I checked cup 2
Size. Ano size?
and I forget. And the size of the my plant in day 5 is 1.5 cm.
In cup 1.
In cup 1. In cup 2, I noticed a sprout coming out of the seed. For cup 3 and cup 4, no changes. At day 6, I watered cup 1. I watered the plant in cup 1, and after that I measured it. And it grew up to 2.2 cm. And cup 2, the plant in cup 2 is now grown up to 1 cm. In cup 3 and 4, no changes. In day 7, the last day, the plant I watered cup 1, cup 2, and cup 4. The plant is now the plant in cup 1 is now 3 cm. The plant in cup 2 is now 1.5 cm. For cup 3 and 4, still same as day 6. My final observation. Cup 1. Sunlight, water, soil. The plant height of the plant in cup 1 is now 3 centimeter. The leaf color of the plant is color green. And the plant is healthy. Cup 2. No sunlight. The plant height of the plant in cup 2 is now 1.5 centimeter. The leaf color is color yellow. Note, and the plant is starting to wilt. Cup 3, no water, no changes, no leaves, and no growth. Cup 4, sand instead of soil, no changes, no leaves, no growth. The thing I learned in this experiment, I learned that if the plant has sunlight, water, and good soil, it has a better chance to grow best.